Hello and good day, traders. Hope you are all enjoying the weekend. The first pair I'm going to analyze now is Euro USD. First of all, we can see very clearly, as we have mentioned in the previous week, that this was the top which created this bottom, and this bottom created this upward trend. Now the trend is downward. It is very clear, but we are seeing some price action here in monthly time frame. What caused this top? We couldn't find any double top on the month, so we move to the week now. In week, we can see that apart from the double bottom, this double bottom in the month time frame, let's put it in perspective a little so things will be easy. Let's visualize them in week. So if we go to week, apart from this double bottom of the month, we have a double bottom in this here or in week, but still we couldn't find any double top here, because to have a double top we need a green and red. And in week we can see it is in downtrend, but the price after getting this double bottom, it is going upward. And the week before, previous week, this was the momentum candle, and last week we have seen this negative price action. So we would like to see what where the next week will go. But I would like to mention something here. It is for the positional traders who trade in very long term, more than 6 months. This is a very special formation is taking place. It is a downtrending week, and it is creating a cup, I think. Let me explain a little bit here. This is a inverted cup and handle pattern, and if we put this here in perspective with this long-term trend, you can see that this is the thing. I beg your pardon. This is the thing we have here, like this, and this is the cup it is creating now. And after coming back to this position, maybe it will break out, but there is very high chances that it will create a handle here. So watch out, the guys who does positional traders, to make something like this. You can expect something like this in the long run, and it will be something like this. Then it will continue its downtrend. So for positional traders, please keep it in mind. But for current analysis, we don't need to consider this pattern at the moment. So but week by week we have to understand that the downtrend is very high, as the weak formation is telling us right now at the moment. However, there is every chance that it will go upward. So week by week we will try to evaluate this thing and understand how the market will move. Coming back today now. Now here we can see that as per the last week analysis, I told very clearly that this cup and handle formation has been made and liquidity has been taken. It has been pushed here up to this point. And I also mentioned that there is two chances we have here. One is that if the price comes in between these two lines, if we go to 4 hours, I have mentioned very clearly, I think, if the price comes in this between two lines, then we can take a buy trade and move on the upside, but there is a new development which I didn't consider, to be honest with you, in the last week, and I should beg your pardon for that. Here, last week, when we draw this thing, this cup and handle, I missed that another formation of cup has already been taken place, and that one is this one. This one, and this one is automatically invalidating this cup and handle pattern. Let me draw it properly. I'm not drawing it properly. You see there is a this one and this one has created a double bottom already. I beg your pardon, double top. So this one, if we consider, it has created a cup already, and it is invalidating this cup and handle pattern. Now question, because I come to learn this cup formation this week when I was trying to find out why the price went down below this black line. It was my I was not finding any reason for this particular reason. Why did it pushed it down? And I couldn't find the reason. Now I can see that there is a cup formation again, and if the price comes down to, let me remove some of the things so things will be more clear to you guys. It will be very clumsy. Let's remain this line at least. So if we see, considering this cup, the new cup right now with this new formation of the pattern, and if we measure it right now, you can see that the half is here. This is the half, you see. So let's mark the half. Let's mark this half. And this one, this half is telling us that price may come here. Price may come here. And we put these two bars based on the previous invalidated cup. So let us remove this one right now, and this one too. So, and I don't know whether this line will be respected next week. I have doubt, though I'm saying we are seeing some price action on the positive side, the traction towards upward, but my way of thinking is this. If you see it, that we have a very good, we have a very big, what you can say, very big fair value gap left here, this area. Let me remove this right now so you guys can visualize very easily, which is very important to understand the whole thing. So this is a big fair value gap already left here. So my God, a biggie is left here, and if you can see that this fair value gap coincides with the half of the cup. So my expectation is this: if within next 2 days of opening the market in the next week, if the price doesn't pull upward, I mean, if there is no green candle we can see here, then maybe the price will break down to this zone and then price will react. Before that, So my suggestion, if you take my suggestion, I will prefer not to take any trade further on Euro USD at the moment. Leave it like this, and I should wait, rather let the formation complete in daytime frame, because 4 hour is not giving us clear picture at the moment. We have too many things going on in 4 hours. We have too many things going on 4 hours at the moment, because if you clearly mark that this black and green, I provided the boundary, the price should be here, and price is not. The price came here last week, went up, came down, broke the lower barrier also, again it pulled up and broke down, again it pulled up, it broke down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times it has broken the last week, and so this zone is very fragile at the moment, and the upward traction has lost now. Can you see it is not making any higher high anymore, these candles. So I will not tell you to trade based on 4 hours. Let's go to daytime frame. It is better to consider here, wait for 1-2 days and see if we have some green candle in this area. If we have some green candle in this area and above this price, let me visualize this a little bit in let's put this thing off. No point keeping these things. I want to bring it in daytime also. So if you don't see any, you see the price has moved up again respecting this line, but 1, 2, 3, 4 days the price broken this lowest barrier, and this is a very big concern for me, that the price may I'm telling you again, price may come in this area to fulfill its journey of pattern completion, that this is the cup and handle pattern will be formed. This pattern will complete its destination. This is one option we have at the moment, and second thing, let's take out the fair value gap from here. Let's mark it in a different way. This is the fair value gap we have. Now talking about this is one option we have, and the second option we have is I told you that if price action in daytime frame, I repeat, if it shows some positive thing, then it will go up, and this time it may or may not respect this zone, but it will hit this zone if it breaks out, believe me. So this is second thing we need to consider. And last but not least, please, before if you take trade, you have to think this. So first thing, make sure that if it breaks down, it will come here, and make sure that if it goes up in daytime frame, I repeat it, in daytime frame, it will move upward. And the third thing is this, so far the price action, maybe the market is confused. It will start doing something like this, maybe next week even, until we have some breakthrough, some fundamental changes will trigger these things out. So in my opinion, leave this pair alone at the moment until we see some very big probability in favor of our trade, either going long or short. And for the time being, the upward traction is higher, but this confused me very much after forming this cup, that this cup may fulfill its journey, and it has already fulfilled 25% of the journey. Maybe we will fulfill the 50%, and this is a very big issue. If there is any updates, I will in the middle of the week, maybe on Tuesday, Wednesday, I will update again. So keep on posting your comments and anything else, and please do share your analysis too. I need to learn from you guys too. So this one we should officially change the color to day color, because day has already, it has fulfilled the day. This has fulfilled the day journey. It has done. It has made the double top here in day. Let me move, or just draw the cup for future reference in a pretty good way, so we can remember what we were doing. So this was the cup form. Okay, and let's change the color to yellow, and let's put it back. Visual set to back. So this is the thing I am expecting, but until I repeat again and again, any trade you trade based on my analysis, I suggest that you made your own analysis at the same time, because the previous cup was redundant here, which has a very nice cup from here to here, and a very good, beautiful handle we had that pushed it. This cup, which we redundant right now, and then it pushed it here, broke the neckline, and it didn't survive. It is coming back, and this coming back was not very pleasant for me, and this irrationality of the thing then triggered my mind that it has formed a new cup. Why I am drawing this cup from here? I beg your pardon, this is a mistake. The cup should be from this to this. This new cup has formed. So I didn't look into this very clearly. So keep in mind, this fair value gap is very important. Maybe to go have a upward traction, it needs this liquidity. The liquidity again from here, it needs the liquidity. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye. If you have any question or query, please do let us know. Do share your analysis, and above all, one thing, any trade you take based on this analysis is completely your responsibility. Have a nice day.